Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this really cool looking Teufel Boomster Go. That means you have to play hard with that. Yeah, indeed. The Boomster Go puts the legendary power of Teufel sound in our hand. It doesn't matter if we are hiking, biking, or orbiting the Mars. Where would you take it? Yeah, because you can take it nearly anywhere. Extremely heavy-duty Bluetooth speaker in 5 stylish colors variations with punchy sound for every occasion. And it's IPX7 water protection and shock-proof because touch rubber's casing. And performance heavy. Full range driver and 2 push-pull path of bass driver for a strong, high and clear sound. Convenient strap and GoPro compatible threading. And this is 1 inch, 1/4 inch, and 1/4 inch for attaching the Boomster Go to adjust about anything. Belt, tripod, backpack, or of course onto a spaceship. We have Bluetooth 5 for music streaming in compact disc quality via Spotify, YouTube, Apple Music, TuneIn, and more. And we have a hands-free mode. Dedicated the button for Siri, Google Assistant, means interface buttons, LED battery indicator, and a high-capacity battery for up to 10 hours of playback with quick charging function. And we can sync 2 Boomster Go's for lush stereo sound. This is a really good feature. It is possible to make out of this one Boomster Go and stereo system by using 2 Boomster Go. Our music can now be as colorful as the real life. The Boomster Go is available in 5 colors. This is a great fit for any style. It's available in blue, green, orange, black, and white. Just like the Berlin U-Bahn, the Boomster Go is packed full of audio goodies like a can of sardines. And we can know that we wouldn't put the Teufel name on anything that didn't put out the great quality audio. In this case here, it comes with the great audio. That means it's a Teufel project. Even our smallest Bluetooth speaker on the market from Teufel is a good sound system. And we have passive diaphragms. They use the push-pull principle to pump up the bass, and extremely heavy duty. Water and dust proof. Electronic components secured against excess vibrations, and Class D amplifier. Highly efficient for clear sound and low power consumption. We have a maximum displacement for high levels despite the compact size. And we have wide band driver with long through and extremely loud capacity for high level without distortion. And with thick casing. This absorbs even the hardest impacts. And we have the total control. Of course, they can control everything on our smartphone, but we don't have to because the Teufel Boomster Go has touch keys on the go. And it doesn't matter what we have to go and plant. The Boomster Go is up to the task with us because it's IPX7 certified splash proof, and rubberized casing offers a shockproof protection too. And Bluetooth, high fidelity wireless audio. The product provides clean, stable Bluetooth connection with minimal power consumption at a range from 10 meters and up. We stream music, movies, or games from our smartphones, tablet, laptops, personal computers, or Mac. All operation systems are supported. And it's perfectly synced. The sound and the video always watch whenever we're gaming or watching TV. and with the hands-free function. With the built-in microphone, we can easily call friends or family via Bluetooth, even in noisy environments. They guarantee crisp, intelligible speech and all wireless, of course. And I think a really cool feature is we paired two for real stereo. That means Boomster Go we can pair together, and one will play the right channel, while the other plays the left channel. This giving us a real stereo experience on the go, and two are, of course, louder than one. So we can get the party started anytime, day or night. And the beat goes on. The super efficient Berlin developed Class D amplifier allows the Boomster Go to keep playing for up to 10 hours. And in just 2.5 hours, it's back to full charge. We have everything what we need in the box. We have a lanyard for the Boomster Go Black, for example here in black. We have a USB cable for the Boomster Go itself, and of course the Boomster Go is included too. Extremely heavy duty Bluetooth speaker and 5 stylish colors variable with punchy sound for every occasion. The wide is 10.7 cm, the weight is 355 grams, the height is 4.6 cm, the depth is 10.2 cm. We have standby function and a nice device here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Now, let's enjoy the sound. Soon.